how to know if Meta AI is available on my Facebook. In order to know that, you can head over here to your three lines, and then you can see in here if there's any Meta AI indication. Alternatively, you can also go to your actual Google or any browser that you have, and then put in here, is Meta AI in my country? So you can put that. So you can also ask alternatively, is Meta AI in your actual or precise country, like for example in the Philippines. So as you can see, it's available on select countries. So you can just go on this article and you can find if your actual country is available on this. So as you can see, it's only available in the following countries: Australia until Zimbabwe, and Philippines is not there, which means that it's not available right now on my Facebook. So that's how you know if Meta AI is available on your Facebook. Hope it helped.